Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter the SIM card and the memory card in your Samsung A20e. So to do this operation, get your key, put it into that hole here, and here you have a place for the memory card here. And place for the SIM card 1 is gonna be here. SIM card 2 gonna be here. That's it. Pull it into your phone gently. Let's take a look. It's okay. Memory card. Let's place it okay, I think. Okay, done. So you have placed your memory card and SIM card into your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!